Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ever wished you could help whip up animated short films just like you whip up instant noodles? Well, with AI, you're in for a treat. Dive into today's video with me and let's cook up some animated magic together. A short animated film in less than 5 minutes. Let's start the timer. Okay, step 1. I will go to this website called designs.ai to write my script. It's a paid tool, but they give you a 7-day free trial to test it out. And if you like it, then you can end up using it. So once I come here to the website, you will see this interface. I'll just come here and click on AI Writer. Then you will come across this. All these options are there. I'll come here and click on free form since I want to write the script for a movie. And I'll come here and give it my prompt. Then I went and I wrote this prompt. Write a romantic love story, emotional about a young couple. It should not be longer than 45 seconds. It should be really nice. And just like that, designs.ai quickly wrote down a short sweet script for me. If you come here, you see all these options. You can just click on copy. So I just copied this entire text and pasted it to my Google Docs. You can also edit the script here by clicking on this button. You can further refine it. It will cost you 1 by adding further prompts. And if you click on this option of images, it directs you to their free AI-powered image generator 123RF, from where one can download these free images. Pretty cool, isn't it? So I'll skip this part for the time being. Then I went ahead and I further wrote, okay, now please give me a detailed scene breakdown for the story so that I can paste each scene in the AI image generator to generate my visuals. And just like that, this website gave me a complete detailed breakdown. I once again copied this and pasted this into my Google Docs so that I could use it later on. Now on to step 2. I copied each scene breakdown provided by designs.ai and I pasted the same into Midjourney, which is my preferred image generator for this. I just came and pasted it here. After each image, I mentioned a random seed number to try and ensure that I get kind of consistent images. For any of you all who have not used Midjourney, it's very simple. Create your Discord account. And once you're here in the prompt box, just write /imagine. Paste the scene created by designs.ai. Mention the random seed number. Give an aspect ratio of 16:9 since this is for YouTube. And just click on enter. So like this, step by step, I went and copy pasted each scene breakdown from designs.ai into Midjourney and created all the relevant scenes. I gave it a few reruns until I got images that I like. As you can see, most of these results seem pretty good. Okay, now for step 3, I needed to create the voiceover for the story. So I went over to 11 Labs, went through various voice samples and selected a suitable one.
Kindness is more important than wisdom, and the recognition of this is the beginning of wisdom.
I added this to my voice lab. I just pasted the entire script here and I clicked on generate. And just like this, the voiceover for the film was created using 11 Labs. Next step is we will look to animate all the images for which we will use this free animation generator called Pika Labs. We have covered this in some previous videos. I'll leave the link to those videos in the description below in case you want to go through them in a detailed way. Once you come to the website, just click on join beta and you'll have access to the app through their Discord server. Once you're in the app, you will see this interface. Come here in any of the generate rooms. Come here, click on /. So they have recently added this new option called animate, where you don't need to write any prompt. Just click on this, just add the image, and it will intuitively just animate the image on its own. So I'll try this for today's video and then click on enter, and in a short while the animated video will be ready. In the same fashion, I went ahead and created the animations for the film using Pika Labs by the process we just went through together. In the film, I have not animated all the images. Some have been animated using Pika Labs and some have been kept intact, and I have added just a few zoom movements to the pictures. Now on to step 5, bringing everything together and editing it. While all the edit happens in the background, a quick note of word for our today's sponsor, designs.ai. Stuck in the content creation maze? Fret not. Designs.ai is here to help you out and be your perfect sidekick. Picture this, you're a magician with a digital wand conjuring powerful marketing spells with a swish and a flick. and thanks to their AI writer. But wait, there is more. Be the Steven Spielberg of your domain, transforming plain texts into blockbuster videos in 20 languages with your video maker. Hold on to your heart, process Picasso. Unleash the thousands of design variations with just a whisper of your content wishes into their design maker. And launch your brand to stardom with their logo maker, crafting logos more iconic than sliced bread. Voiceovers? They have got the speech maker to serenade your audience in any tone, pitch or language you desire. Why settle for the rest when you can join the content revolution with the best? Step into the future with Designs.ai, where your creativity meets efficiency at a blockbuster fiesta. Link to this amazing tool is provided in the description box below. Then I added subtitles and captions to the movie using the Captions app on my phone itself. It's really easy to use. You can also use something like Descript.
Now let's watch the movie together.
In a bustling city full of life, Lily and Jack found each other in the most unexpected way. Their paths collided one sunny afternoon as they both reached for the same book on a crowded bookstore shelf. Their eyes locked and a spark ignited between them. As they exchanged their first words, their hearts raced and time seemed to stand still. They soon discovered their shared love for literature, art, and adventure. Every moment spent together was like a page turning in a beautifully written novel. Their love grew deeper and stronger with each passing day. They explored hidden gems in the city, hand in hand, walking through colourful parks and quaint alleys. They laughed, they cried, and they dreamed together. But like every love story, heartbreak sometimes follows. A sudden job opportunity forced Jack to move to another country, leaving Lily behind. The distance challenged their love, but it didn't weaken it. They fought against the odds and remained connected. Through countless late-night calls, heartfelt letters, and surprise visits, Lily and Jack proved that love is stronger than any distance. Their trust, devotion, and unwavering support for one another were the pillars that held them together. Finally, after what felt like a lifetime, the day came when Jack returned. They embraced like they had never let go. Their love story had come full circle, and they knew they were meant to be. Their journey had been filled with ups and downs, but it had only made their love stronger.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this video which is going to come up here on the screen, where we have discussed some other cool AI tools to make a short animated movie. If you don't have time right now, save this video for later, as no video is more important than your time. I will continue to try to make more such videos which will help us in our shared journey of self-improvement and how we can leverage the power of AI for our greater good. Thank you and see you in the next video.